Hi guys! Today I'm going to make almond flour banana bread, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to use this cinnamon, and here is the almond flour. This is the double strength Madagascar bourbon pure vanilla, and the baking powder. I have the pinky Himalayan salt, and I'm also going to put some baking soda and one fourth cup butter. Okay, so let's see. Well, I've already have measured 3 cups of the almond flour. I have set up my oven for 350 preheating. Now I'm going to mash these 3 bananas. I am actually using my favorite pampered chef tool. Actually, just one of my favorite. It is the mix and chop. So it is really very easy to cut or to chop the bananas. And it smells so good. The banana is really ripe, and that's how I want it anyway. That's the kind of banana that I wanted to use when I am making my almond flour banana bread. Yes, everybody making almond banana bread today. Mixing time. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to have this. Oh well. Now it's ready. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 50 minutes bake. I actually used our Pampered Chef product. It is the stoneware. And what I like about this is I don't even have to put oil anymore in the, what I mean, in the pan. It doesn't stick, so it's amazing. Okay, and now this will go in the oven, and then I'll take a video of how it looks like after. See you soon. It's time to cut. It's time to make a slice and try this. Alright, I've tried this one. See, it's so so soft. Oh my gosh. Everybody, this is amazing. Yep. Malambot na talaga siya eh. Okay. Okay. There it is, everyone. There it is.